Hey, this is Clark from Blue Monkey Bicycles. Today I'm going to be telling you about the Velotric Discover 1. I like the name Velotric. It's a play on word from the French word vélo, which means bike, and electric, so you get Velotric. Alors aujourd'hui, on va parler de cette vélo électrique. Oh, we're doing this one in English? Alors Velotric, si vous voulez faire une vidéo en français, je suis capable. Alors, o posso farlo in italiano? Anche. También en español. The Discover 1 is Velotric's high-step version of their Commuter e-bike. They also have a step-through version as well. You can check that one out on their website. The Discover 1 has been packed very neatly. It is also quite a hefty bike, so I would suggest having someone help with the unboxing. Just by opening the box, I could tell that this was a quality bike. The bike was packed with great care. It's actually all packaged in there really well. It wasn't terribly hard to put together. There's a nice box in there with everything that you would need inside, which included a quick start guide, owner's manual, accessories like lights, pedals, chargers, and also had a nice bag full of tools. All the tools you needed to put it together, including a full-size screwdriver. I recently put together a cheapy bike from a big box store, and it didn't even include any tools to put the bike together. It was extremely frustrating, and the tires weren't even pumped up. So this bike was really nice. It was ready to rock and roll with all the tools that you needed to set it up. The tools and the quick start guide were a nice touch. It took me over just an hour to put the whole bike together. And I'm a novice when it comes to putting these bikes together. The Discovery 1 is a very sturdy bike. It has a custom frame, and Velotric put great care and detail into the frame. I was really impressed with the welding on the frame. The frame drops down and connects with the motor. It makes it very sleek. In fact, the whole bike is sleek. The color matching removable battery is a nice touch that fits smoothly on the frame. Most batteries on electric bikes are either black or gray. The color match battery is an elegant touch to make the bike flow and looks more aesthetically pleasing. The batteries on the bike are made by Samsung and LG. These are Tesla grade quality batteries, so you know you're getting a good battery. Velotric claims that they will get a 50% longer range than comparable e-bike batteries. The Velotric website claims that the Discover 1 will go 65 miles on a full charge, on full throttle or with the pedal assist. So for me, I could go about a week before I have to recharge the bike. It sports a 7-speed Shimano gear shifter, which is actually quite easy to use. It also has a 5-speed pedal assist. I clocked the bike at 23 miles per hour, and that was pedaling pretty vigorously with the pedal assist on a flat road. I could go about 20 miles per hour comfortably at a fast speed. The bike also has a cool walk assist mode, where it will help you push the bike while you're walking with it. You hold down the minus button and hold the handlebars, and it will slowly move forward with you. Might be nice when you are going uphill or an elderly person needing to walk the bike. The bike is UL 2849 and 2271 certified water resistant. So that means you don't have to worry about riding in the rain or other wet conditions. The battery fits so snug on the frame that it seals out the water and other elements like dust and dirt. The Discover 1 is built like a mountain bike, but it rides as smooth as a beach cruiser. It is surprisingly comfortable to ride. The ergonomical sweep-back comfort handles are soft, yet durable. The extra comfortable bike seat is actually really nice. It's way better than those small plastic bike seats that you see on other bikes. The front hydraulic suspension absorbs all the little bumps along the way. Even going over speed bumps was a breeze. I was shocked how good the shocks were. I really could ride this bike all day long. Velotric didn't skimp on the brakes on the Discover 1. It sports dual piston hydraulic disc brakes, which are not typically found on budget e-bikes. The bike also features rear and front lighting systems and a braking high beam feature. The lights are controlled by the front display screen, so you can turn it on and off. The Discover 1 is solidly built. The Velotric website says the bike is designed for people between 5'6" and 6'9". I'm 5'11", and I was really comfortable riding this bike. The whole bike weighs 65 pounds, so maybe a little cumbersome for your grandma, but if you want to get a couple reps in after your ride, just lift the bike a few times. Might be a little difficult to just throw in the back of your truck as well. The Discover 1 comes in 5 stylish colors: mango, cyan, indigo gray, silver, sand, and forest. I personally like the mango color. It turns heads as you ride down the street. Reminds me of my first car, which was a egg yellow Ford Focus. I love to drive that thing around and turn heads. The step-through version comes in different colors, so make sure to check out their website to see their color availability for that one. In fact, Velotric has an awesome website where you can get all the specs and details about the bike. Right now, the Discover 1 retails for $1,899, but when I made this video, it was on sale for only $1,099. This isn't a run-of-the-mill cheap electric bike. It is far superior than those e-bikes that you'll find at a big box store. I highly recommend the Discover 1. It looks great, it's an amazing price, it was really a joy to ride. It did not disappoint me, and it will not disappoint you. This has been a review for the Velotric Discover 1. I hope you discover one in your future. I'm Clark Abraham from Blue Monkey Bicycles. Have a great day.